Jay, make it move.
Look, man. Now, we got several things to talk about, but one of the things that I do want to shed some light on is what's been going on with these. This was a shoe that didn't even release in the US, but out the blue, prices have shot up. They were going for way below retail, but I don't know. What's to it, y'all? YouTube fam, all what's good? What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy here officially on the 1st of the month, y'all. It is May 1st today, and we got some things to talk about, some things that done came up out the blue, what went on today, and this is one of the months, y'all, man. So I already told y'all what was going on, what was dropping. Today, I just want to talk about some recent events and some things that we heard about that will be happening later this year, man. So we're gonna dive into all that here in a second. Before we get into it, I need y'all to start the video off. Hit that thumbs up, man. Let's set the tone for the month. We need over 1,500 likes, man. We ain't got that in a minute, man. Go crazy on the thumbs up for your boy Jay. Let me know that y'all still rocking out with me over here, man. Hit that, and yes, man, if you are a first time, second time, or so on and so forth viewer and you have not yet became a member of the family by hitting that subscribe button, take the time out right now, hit that subscribe button, join the family over here, man. We are on the road to 200K. We are less than 6,000 away, y'all. So like I said, man, for all those who are viewing, if you can double check real quick, make sure that you are subbed up to the channel and that you are locked in. Real quick before I dive into today's video, I want to know what y'all want your boy Jay to do for tomorrow's content, because I'm actually about to get ready to start recording that. Look, do y'all want to see the detailed review and on feet to the Jumpman Jack Bright Cactuses, or do you guys want to see a first look of an upcoming collaboration shoe that I do have in my possession, man? It's a banger. So let me know which one y'all want to see. Y'all want to see an on feet of the Bright Cactus Travis Scott's, or y'all want to see an early collab that I know y'all gonna like, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave it up to y'all. Y'all comment down below what y'all want to see for tomorrow's content. Your boy Jay will deliver it to y'all. But outside of that, man, look, today I do want to talk to y'all about events that happened this day, man. So we did get a couple releases via the sneakers app. Did anyone get any W's, bro? I took the fastest L of a lifetime, man. I didn't know that they were doing a first come first serve drop for the Nike Air Max 95 pink foams. Hey, man, the demand is there. A lot of people want them. I don't know if they had a couple hundred on the sneakers app or what the case was, but they flew, man. Shout out to my homie Trav over at Sneaker Goods. He told me he did hit on a size 13 or some crazy size. I said, hey, bruh, that's a good W right there. But me, I took an L on it. However, you know, I got a pair, you know what I'm saying? I got a pair of those Air Max on the way. Speaking of Air Max, there was a pair of Air Max that released yesterday that I do have on the way as well. A lot of y'all asked me about it, and I do have a pair on the way, man. That is the Air Max 95 Cortez, I want to say. You know what I'm saying? It is a all over black pair of Air Max 95. I want to say it released exclusively in New York, but I do have a pair of those on the way as well. And yeah, man, we gonna check those out when they come, man. Air Max 95s have been booming, you know what I'm saying? Air Max 95s has been doing their thing. I recently picked up a pair of 95s that just since I bought them, they went up like $150 in price, y'all. Bang! The Air Max 95 reverse neon, or are they calling these the anthracite joints, y'all? This pair, my most recent pair of Air Max 95s that I picked up, y'all, has jumped up in price. I just might as well show them to y'all real quick, man. But I picked these up off GOAT. I let y'all know that when I did show these in the video. These right here jumped up, I want to say, in the last couple days in price. I don't know if people have been just buying them, or I have no idea, but I'm glad I got them when I did. I paid right around $400 for these, y'all. Yes, I paid to play with these, and I want to say the lowest axe right now is like $550 something on GOAT, the same place where I got them from. I'm not sure about the StockX market, but I'm glad I got them when I did, because I do see these going up a lot more than that price, y'all. And on the flip side of these, man, the Air Max 95 OG neon big bubbles, y'all. I know I told you guys they were doing a restock, which they did. I wasn't wrong. They did do a restock on the OG 95 big bubbles, and the only locations I know that got them was a couple mom and pop shops and JD Sports, y'all. Though the list that I put up, all those stores did get pairs, but they were very slim to none, and I'm sure a lot of people got phone calls and people didn't even see those shoes hit shelves, y'all. So as of right now, those Air Max 95 Neon OG Big Bubbles might be over with, y'all. Like, it might be a resale or just go on to the next shoe type of situation with those right now, man. But if anything emerges, secret sauce, if I get any details, I will let y'all know. Speaking of details, man, look, let me put y'all on real quick. Secret sauce, if you guys want any early links to any shoes, any things that sold out, you might want to tap in, y'all. Secret Sauce is a group that does give you valuable information, and it does help you get a lot of the things that you want for retail. I don't want to just surround it around shoes. They have Pokemon cards, game systems, anything that is valuable that sells out and that is hot, they help you get it for retail. They do have a membership-based service that you do pay monthly for. They have a essential, a premium, and an elite membership, which I am a part of the elite membership. That's why the dubs be rolling in, man. It's no secret to the method of my madness. I don't gatekeep. I let y'all know that is how I get a lot of my dubs. Speaking of dubs, this morning, they did release the Ravens Diamond Turfs. I bet y'all didn't know that.
Nope.
Yes, Secret Sauce knew it though, y'all. They released the Ravens pair early. Outside of those Deons, they just give you access to a lot of shoes that release early, such as the Foamposite Psychic Blues, which did release early, and I got a link and I was able to secure a pair. All that came from Secret Sauce, y'all. So if you guys buy any shoes or you're looking forward to any upcoming shoes and you think you might have to pay resale for, it is definitely a great investment, y'all, because think about it. Sometimes you might be paying $100 over retail for one shoe. If you get Secret Sauce and you get that essential membership, which is right around 60 bucks, and you get the shoe for retail, you're essentially only paying $60 over retail for that shoe and multiple other shoes that you might get the links to, y'all. So it is a great investment. They have sports bet picks over there. You name it, man. They have a lot of different things over there that you might want to check out, man. So tap in. The proof is in the pudding. You can see the success. I will probably put up a couple things on the screen for you can see, but it is a premium group that a lot of people are trying to join, so they do have a wait list. However, with you watching this video and me giving y'all the link down below in the description, you can get right in simply by clicking that link. If you use a link, you don't have to wait in the waiting line, which I want to say might be a couple months behind, y'all. So if you want to get in instantly and start getting those grails and those shoes that you are looking forward to without having to pay resale, you might want to tap into Secret Sauce, y'all. Everything is linked down below in the description. I told y'all I don't gatekeep. I will give y'all the game. So if you want to turn them L's into dubs, tap into Secret Sauce. They also have moderators over there that will walk you through the process to help you figure out ways on how you can obtain things that you've always wanted. And yeah, man, like I said, it's a game changer. But tap in. But outside of that, yes, we was talking about Air Max 95s, y'all. Big bubbles, like I said, they might be gone until Secret Sauce or somebody drops a link and lets you know where they will be restocking. But outside of those, we did get the release of the Kobe 9 Mambacitas, y'all. Those released today as well, and they flew. I went for them, and I had no luck, y'all. I took all L's today, y'all. It was a sad day for your boy Jay, but it was bitter, you know, bittersweet, because I wasn't even tripping, y'all. I was like, I can, you know, go without those shoes, man. So I took L's on all those. If I take an L on the SBs, the C, S, E, F joints, I might be a little sad because I do want those, but everything else releasing prior to those this week, I think I'm good on. But y'all let me know, did y'all cop anything that released today, a jersey or whatever it was, man? RIP to Gigi, because today is her birthday, you know what I'm saying? Long live her, long live everyone who was affected in that plane crash, you know what I'm saying? But outside of that, scrolling on the sneakers app, I did see that there will be a smoke and mirrors pack. If I am correct, or if I see this correctly, we are getting a beat up pair of Air Force Ones that look like, I mean, bruh, they look like someone did that. You know, you can do that trade in with Nike. Someone beat them up and somebody traded them in at Nike to get refurbished, and they was like, man, we ain't gonna refurbish them, we just gonna sell them just like this. And that's what you get, man. I mean, I kind of like the theme, but bruh, I can make those. I can start off with a clean pair of white on white Air Forces, then I can eventually get to that pair that's releasing, man. But it might be a dope collector's piece. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Are you going after those smoke and mirror Air Force Ones? Comment down below. I want to know who will be buying those beat up Air Force Ones. Let me know that. But yes, outside of that, y'all, I did also want to talk to you guys about the upcoming Jordan 1 Chicagos. So shout out to Z Sneakerheads and all the blogs who has posted it. We will officially be getting the big swoosh Chicago Jordan 1 lows later on, holiday 2025, y'all. I just need two. I was about to say I need 3 of them, but I need 2 of those, man. Them things are super clean. If you guys have been watching, y'all seen I recently picked up a grail of mine. I did get the high top Chicago, so I do have the highs officially, but those lows, mandatory pickup for your boy Jay. Like I said, I might pick up 3 pairs. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna get one early, I know that, and if I can get 2 for retail, I might as well do that as well. But yes, man, your boy Jay will be copping those. Super clean. I love how they're doing it with the OG big swoosh, man. Y'all comment down below if y'all are a fan of them. If y'all are copping, what y'all are doing with that. But that was a new thing that did emerge as well. But outside of that, let me talk to y'all about this shoe that no one was paying attention to, similar to a shoe that's about to release. And I just want to let y'all know where this all ties in and why you shouldn't sleep on certain shoes. Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bang! Now, who would have knew, y'all? So your boy Jay has right here a pair of shoes that released at the end of last year. Not in the US though, y'all. This was an overseas exclusive. The US release to this shoe got pulled. I want to say it was supposed to release in October. But the reason why I came across this shoe is because I stumbled across the resale of it, the prices that they're currently going for, and I was like, bruh, when did that happen? You know what I'm saying? And this is gonna tie into me letting you guys know about certain shoes that are upcoming. Jordan 3 Rare Airs, which a lot of y'all are like, they gon' sit, bruh. Nobody want them. Look at the resale. This, that, and the third. It don't mean nothing, bruh. But the shoe that I have right here is the Air Jordan 13 Midnight Navies. Can we get a bang? Bang! Yes, sir, man. The Midnight Navy Jordan 13, which were supposed to release at the end of 2024, never ended up releasing in the US. They were scrapped, and these were going for like $150. These were going for $150, $160. I snagged a pair for the low. And the last time I looked at these, I want to say it was back in maybe February of this year. They were still going for the low. All of a sudden, I was scrolling on apps as I usually do because I check the market on shoes just frequently. I do it a lot, you know what I'm saying? I seen that these lowest ask on GOAT was like $400+. And I said, this can't be the same shoe. This cannot be the same shoe, y'all. As you can see, it is the same shoe. I want to say in the same size. I have it in a size 9. Now, that's not what the last sale was. I'm just talking about the going price for them right now. So what happened? Like what happened all of a sudden, y'all? And I had a conversation with y'all yesterday in the video talking about the prices on StockX looking like they were inflated. I don't know. It looked like StockX was just putting prices up there just to make people be like, oh, you know, I don't know, this shoe is going for this. I have no clue what was going on, but the prices were kind of crazy. And for me to see these going for that much on GOAT, y'all, I don't know, man, what's going on. But these on StockX are now going over $250. After your fees, you'll be paying right around $300 for a pair of Midnight Navy 13s. And this is what I'm telling y'all. Do not play around with these shoes. People say the Rare Air 3s, they're not going for nothing. They're judging them. That's a good looking shoe, man. If you like them, you better cop them, y'all, because I see that shoe going up in price very snap of a finger, man. You look away from it for a second, you look back, price is up, man. And I see that happening with shoes like that, man. So I'm saying that to say this, y'all. Any shoes out there that you might have your eyes on, speaking of a shoe that just flew right before I knew it, y'all. Bang! The Jordan 11 Low Breds. They gone, bruh. They gone, like, and I was just speaking on, bro, they might go to the outlets. Too many stores have them. And before I even made that assessment of saying that they might go to the outlets, my first thoughts and opinions, even in my video title for my vlog, I said these will not sit for long. And I don't know what made me renege on my statement, but I reneged, and now I'm officially wrong because I went back on my original statement. But bruh, these are gone, bruh. Like, I know I said that they was out there here and there. They're still restocking though. A lot of places are restocking them. If you are with Secret Sauce, I know you got one of them links and you got a pair for retail. I know you had to. There's no way you couldn't have got them because I'd be like having to turn off my notifications. There's so many just notifications about restocks. But these right here, y'all, in stores, 90% of the stores that I done been in, they are gone. Only GS sizes are lingering around. But yeah, man, it's one of them things. Do not play with these shoes, bro, because you're gonna end up losing money in the long run, spending more. If you really want to have them, you're gonna have to pay resale and stuff like that. But you know, hey, I just wanted to give y'all that quick game and that quick lesson on that, y'all. If you want them, make sure you go after them, because I did not see how those Jordan 13 Midnight Navy spiked up in price like that overnight. And that was one of them overseas exclusive shoes, and People was just telling me, yo, they're sitting over here. What happened? Anybody from overseas, are Midnight Navy 13s still sitting over there? Y'all let me know, because the energy has changed and that shoe was just going up by the day, you know what I'm saying? But that pretty much is it for this one, man. Y'all let me know what we doing for tomorrow. Are we going back to an on feet, or are we gonna do a first look of that collab? Y'all let me know which one y'all want to see. But that is it. Your boy Jay is checking out. Y'all stay blessed. I am going to the next one, man. Get them if you want them, if you have the funds to do so. Don't go broke. Do not pay that bill to get it. You know, just make sure everything lines up. If you want them, don't play with these shoes out here, man. But that's it, man. Your boy Jay is gone. Peace.